Alright, good afternoon fellow traders. Ito na naman tayo, another new week to sa Forex trading. And before I start off this analysis video, gusto ko lang just have a few announcement lang. I know there are many people sa YouTube videos ko na they're asking a lot of questions. Usually I don't answer question doon sa mismong YouTube channel ko kasi the main or sole purpose naman ng YouTube channel is just to have a archive yung mga analysis ko. To keep things organized. It's not meant for capturing views of people. It's for my Facebook group, which is full of traders, whether it's beginners, experts. Yes, all right. So yung purpose naman ng videos ko na yun is for them to have full access sa mga naging analysis ko. So if you're a starting trader, you can go through my library of my analysis videos if you want to learn how I analyze the market, yung mga ganung bagay. And also, kung may mga questions man kayo sa mga YouTube videos, just post it on the group page na lang. Kasi doon ako at least nagre-respond. Because at least that way, pagka nag-respond ako doon, most of the members can see my answer sa mga tanong and everyone can learn from it. All right, so now that we have that clear, another thing I want to talk about is yung mga analysis ko sa market. So these are just opinions, hindi to mga 100% accurate forecast or analysis kasi wala namang 100% in trading, right? Kaya if you guys are gonna follow my trades, I always suggest na dapat do it at your own risk. It's not 100%. May mga time talaga nagbabago ang market, so anytime my analysis can change. All right, kaya I always advise na wag nyong isagad ang lot size nyo, wag kayong ibu-boost nyo lahat sa trade na yon kasi you think na I know everything sa market. No, I do not know everything sa market. What I'm presenting sa mga videos ko are just scenarios that can happen. May mga possibility. And what makes me a profitable trader, even though na hindi all the time tama yung mga analysis ko, is kaya kong how do I explain it? Like, I can adapt to the market situation na I can modify yung mga position ko. So for example, nag-buy ako, pero yung market bumagsak pa. How do I deal with that? Well, usually naglalagay ako ng mga additional position so that way I can either break even from my losing trade or parang maglalagay ng additional position just to soften the blow or to lower down my loss. If you know what I mean. Kaya that's what I've been trading for over 3 years now, and doon ko lang na realize na you can never be too sure sa market. It can change anytime. What we can do is adjust to it. Kaya dapat meron tayong mga flexible strategy na kung maglalagay man tayo ng position, it shouldn't be a big position kasi that position, if it goes wrong, can burn your whole account. It happened to me before many times, kaya I've learned my lesson. Kaya kung maglalagay kayo ng position, only put small risk. Kasi if it doesn't go our way, you should be able to put additional position that can offset your losses. Does that make sense? Alright? Yun ang pinaka-strategy ko sa mga trades ko. Kaya kung makikisabay kayo, like I said, use minimal risk. Alright? And kung hindi kayo sure, hindi kayo confident, maglagay kayo ng stop loss. Yun lang ang pinaka-advice ko. And try to study how I analyze the market. From there, syempre magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong paraan din sa mga new traders. And when you get your own sariling diskarte on how to trade, you'll be a lot better. Kasi as traders, kanya-kanya tayong diskarte. We may have teachers, we may have mentors, but they have their own style, you have your own style. And sooner or later, you will discover that. Okay? But anyways, let's get on with the market this week. So let's take a look at the calendar. Monday, very chill ang Monday natin kasi bank holiday ng Canada. Wala masyadong news. Pero lang sa JPY and sa USD where si Powell nagsalita. Pero other than that, it's a very clear Monday. Tuesday, we're looking at mukhang meron tayo news sa NZD, AUD, and then pinaka main goal is GBP. Kasi for the past 2 months, I've been trading GBP kasi one, it's been very profitable, and para sa akin, it's very easy to predict, or parang mas nababasa ko siya. I can understand its flow. Alright? Kaya I've been focused on my trades on GBP pairs mostly. Alright? So, taking a look, GBP, kahit mga minor news lang yan, medium to minor news, it does make a difference. Kaya, definitely, we're gonna keep watch on that bukas. Tinatin ko na mangyari sa market. Kasi it does state unemployment rate. Kaya malaking bagay din yan. Alright? Pero ang mga expectation kasi dyan is mga negative dahil nga sa COVID. Pero, if it's better than expected, maybe pwede maging sideways yung currency. Alright? Now, Wednesday, CPI news naman sa GBP. So, medyo highlight si GBP this week Talagang magkakaroon tayo ng maraming market reaction. Alright? So, keep that in mind. Kaya kung mga new traders kayo and you don't feel confident yet, I suggest stay away muna sa GBP. And now, we have CPI ng Canada naman sa gabi. And look, mukhang si Governor Bailey magsasalita siya ng night time. Ngayon, anytime na magsasalita ang Bank of England, very important yan. Kasi, it makes, historically, ang daming mga impact sa chart whenever involved yung Bank of England sa GBP. Okay? Now, Thursday, we have AUD naman, bank news, and, another major news sa GBP ulit. Flash Services PMI. Expected yan, it's gonna be a weak data dahil nga sa COVID. Pero who knows? You never know. Market can be full of surprises. Alright? Ngayon, Friday. Dami talagang news until Friday. Retail sales naman ng GBP. And then NZD as well. Euro, dami. And even Canada. So, we're gonna have a very active week, ladies and gentlemen. Now, how will that affect our charts? So let's take a look at our charts right now. Boom. So starting off with GBP CHF. Ayan, we're looking at the H4 candle. So now I want to focus on GBP CHF for this week. For me, the lesser the currencies I focus on, the much better I can get result. Kasi nga, ganun talaga ang focus If you focus on too many things, masyado kang divided yung attention mo. Pero, if you're focused only on very few currency, mas kayang-kaya mo siyang basahin, to understand where the movements are gonna be at. So, my focus this week is GBP CHF. The reason for that is, malaki yung risk and reward ratio niya kumpara sa mga other GBP pairs. Alright? So, let's take a look. Right now, looking at the H4, let's see here. Drawing nga natin. We're gonna screenshot this para screen right. Alright, so H4 pa lang, Monday pa lang, we started off with this gap right there. Pero na-close din niya yung gap, meaning it may have a chance to go down. Now, question is, when will it go down? Now, that is an interesting question. Ngayon, we're gonna look for signs muna to indicate if it's gonna move down or move up. We know that GBP has been very weak for the past few weeks dahil nga sa mga economic crisis nila, yung Brexit, yung COVID, yung bank saying na talagang mahinang-mahina sa GBP. There's plenty of room pababa. But first, these are possible scenarios that can happen. Alright? So, bago siya bumaba, it may do a little pullback dito sa previous strong support. These are H4 by the way. Yan. Yan yung previous support na na-break niya nung Friday. So, bago siya bumaba, if ever, it's gonna pull back ng malaki. So, like about 100 pips. Alright? That's just one scenario. Second scenario is, let's change the color of the pen para ibang scenario naman. It may continue to go down bago siya mag-pull up. Kasi according to the daily candle, there is more room pababa. Alright? But then again, the market likes to breathe. As you can see naman sa mga previous data niya na it's breathing. Kamukha bago to bumaba ng malaki, huminga muna siya dito. At sa may dating support sa H4. So huminga siyang ganon, then tsaka siya bumaba. Tumaas man siya, huminga lang dito, then tsaka siya bumaba. So parang there's that kind of pattern. Alright? And you can see naman sa previous din niya, sa may top na to. Boom. Support, huminga doon, then bumaba talaga. Ito rin, tumaas siya ng konti kasi ito yung naging bagong support, became the resistance. Kaya there's a high possibility na huminga siya pataas ng 100 pips bago siya tuloy-tuloy yung bumagsak. Now, how far can it go? Tingnan natin. So, i-clear muna natin yung drawing na to. Close muna natin. Discard. Now, let's look at the much higher candle. Now, looking at the daily, how far can it go down? So, possibility right here. Dyan. That's about almost 200 pips pababa. Okay? Now, let's zoom out a little. Another possibility is the bottom of the yan. So, like almost 100 naman ngayon. So, bago siya mag-bounce, it may go up or it may go down. We don't know. Kaya, just bantay-bantay mode lang tayo. Now, if we see some confirmation na nag-breakout or nag-bounce, doon tayo maglalagay ng position. Alright? Kasi pagka this candle closes, taga lang, ito sa may lower time frame, H4. Pagka ito, tumaas dito, tumaas pa siya, it's a sign na talagang it's gonna go up for a pullback, for a correction. Then, tsaka siya bababa. Ngayon, pagka tumaas pa siya ng konti, I'm gonna enter a buy. And then, since naman na expected na magiging mga negative news on GBP, I'm gonna put a sell dito pagka nag-confirm na nire-reject nga siya. Alright? Kasi, how far will it go up? Well, we have two choices. Tingnan natin. Screen right ulit natin. So, how far will it go up? It may go up to here. Dyan. Or dito. So, the market may go hit that, tsaka siya bababa. Or, it may hit that, then tsaka bumaba. Kaya nga, we will look for confirmation to see kung hanggang saan siya. Ilan na type of position. And from there, kung gusto nyo sumabay, go ahead. Alright? So, that is just my analysis of GBP CHF. And tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari this week. Alright? Hopefully, everyone has a profitable week. Para naman na ma-enjoy natin yung makabawi tayo during these COVID times. At least, be profitable even though naka-quarantine tayo. It's time to save up money, time to build our wealth habang there's a crisis. Because, there's a will, there's a way. So that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Take care.